Hello guys, what up? And today we're back at it again with what's it called? Some Java tutorial stuff. So yeah, so remember this file that we made? Yeah, this might actually be the wrong file that we made. So let me go back and find it really quick. My bad. We go to, actually we can go to here as well, show and explore. I'm sorry, hold on, it's not the right file. Just really quick, I don't want to freaking pause the video. I can probably edit it. I don't know, I might edit it. Or might be lazy, not. I don't know. Stuff happens. There it is. Okay, so screw that. Bam. Replace file destination. Oh no, I want it over there as well. So copy and paste that over there. Alright, cool. So now we have this, and this is the right one. How do I know? Because there's a 254 right in the middle of that. So yeah. Anyway, so let's read that in and get this stuff on the road. So first thing we need is a file Java class. Whoa, it's crazy. Okay, that's weird. TileManager.java, that's what I'm calling it. So of course it's in the package com.julius.game.tiles, and it's in a class called TileManager. That's not right. There you go. That's right. And we just need to do the constructor TileManager. So TileManager is going to handle all the different tile maps. So yeah, we're going to have different tile maps because we have different layers. So of course we're going to have at least 3 tile maps. Each tile map is going to have a sprite, and each tile map, well, each block, I guess, will also need a vector of some sort to F. I think, anyways. I'm not sure. What I am sure is that we're gonna store all the tile maps in an array list. So I think that's Java utils, right? Yep, utils. So let's do utils.ArrayList. Hey. And we can actually go ahead and do that. And we're going to make it static. ArrayList. And we're going to have a class called TileMap later. We're going to make that later. And there we go. So TileManager is basically going to read everything in. So let's just do that. So in the constructor, we just make the array list. Oops, cost. Of course, we have to give it the class order. And if we are giving, make another constructor. Call it, give it like a string path thing. Then TM, of course, you have to still make the array list. And TileMap, and we're going to add a TileMap. So we're going to make that really quick with path in like 64. And oh, I guess we should, no, whatever. We just make the method. And this might be private. Oop, not void. TileMap, of course, and have a string path. It's the block width, and it's the block height. That's how you spell height, right? And so yeah, that's the width and height of the block, and we have the image path. And that's basically where the tile set path is stored. So string path in here in the arguments is actually related to where the tile map, not the tile set. Tile map, tile set, two different things. And we're gonna have some variables with height and being 0 and whatever. So this is the height and width of the tiles, in the tile set, and this is how many tiles that are in the tile set. This is the tile columns, and we can calculate the tile rows if we have the count in columns, so we don't need the rows really. Of course we need sprite, because this is where the freaking image path comes into play with the sprite. What's it called? Object. There you go. No, there we go. I am losing my mind. Slowly but surely. Then we're gonna have an array. So this is how many layers we can have. 10 layers at the most. You shouldn't really need all 10 layers, because that's a lot of layers. And ooh, I actually have no idea where this stuff is. So we have a class in the. There it is. Yeah. So we have couple classes, built-in classes. And document builder factory dot new instance. Does it have it? Yeah, awesome. Whew, thank you, Adam. Of course, IntelliJ can do that. But I mean, does it have these? Does it have all the colors that freaking Adam has? No, I don't think so. I mean, you could definitely make IntelliJ have all the colors, but I mean, I don't want to go through trouble. This is already like built-in kind of thing going on, and it's really cool, so I'm using it. Can we have the file? Does it actually already? Yeah, it does. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Don't have to mess around with that. So of course we have this stored somewhere in our resource folder. So we're just gonna get class loader, right? Is that right? I don't know. Let's see. Get resource. Nope, that's what I thought that was in there. Oh well. Resource, and then this is where the path come in play. And dot to URI. Is that right? No, that's not right. Oops. Dot to URI, and there we go. That looks right. I think that's right. Don't know. Should we build it? Just to check. Is it okay if we? Oh, that's the freaking folder. Yeah, okay, we got it right. Cool. Hold on, are we on the same? This is the. Yeah, okay. Should we go here? So doc.get documents. Document. Oh, no, I don't know. Element or something. Dot normalize. Hey, awesome. And then we probably need a node list. Okay, so we're basically reading the XML file. I don't know if anybody got that, but this is the code to read that. And yeah, so we're trying to find the tag name. Tag name called tile sets. Don't know if it is. Tag called tile set. So here it is. This is what we're trying to read. We're trying to read this tag, and we're trying to get the tile width, the tile height, the tile count, and the columns, and also the name. This is where the image that we're using for this tile map is going to be. Yeah. So that's basically what we're doing. And yeah. So we just store that in a node list. And we need to get the individual nodes, so I have to make a node called item and 0, and we have to get the individual elements. We have to cast those because the elements are stored in the node. And we have to make that an element. So then finally we can do the image path element stuff. Get attribute. Attribute, right? Is that how you spell it? Don't know. Name. So yeah. So these are attributes, by the way. If you didn't know. Those are attributes. Cool. Glad we got that. Hopefully, maybe, don't know. Then we're gonna make that an integer because it's gonna be stored in a string. So, y'all, okay, gotta convert that because we don't want no string. Who freaking wants strings? Nobody. You string lover? Then get out of here. We don't want you. We want you sometime later, but not right now. And then tile freaking height, because why freaking not? Then E, then freaking elements. What the crap is that? Dot get attribute. Then the tile height, of course, we need that. That's very important. Actually, it is like legit is. It's kind of saying that sarcastic a little bit. Not really. Don't know. A lot of people can't tell if I'm sarcastic or not because I feel like they just assume that I'm either always sarcastic or just never sarcastic, but like never serious either. It's kind of like, he's there, you know? Yep. Is that attribute right? Is that spelled right? Don't know. It's the one question that my life can't answer right now. Tile, then freaking columns, right? Yep. There it's an integer dot parse and my gosh, it starts. That's one thing about Atom. It's just stupid that it just puts my cursor all the way back. I can turn on the Vim, but I really don't know how to use that really well, or I don't know how to use that enough. Then we're going to do the list, right? Because we have that. We do. Okay. And doc.get elements tag by name, and we're going to get the layer tag. Layer. I think it's just layer. So this is the layer tag, and we have 3 layer tags. So we're going to have that like a for loop to go between them. So we're just going to do that. Layers is equal to the list. Get length. Length, is that thing? Then this is where our sprite thing comes in handy. Sprite. Actually, we just put this up here because we already got this stuff. So it's tile, then the image path, and plus the PNG. And then the tile width and tile height. There we go, we got the tile set. All the images and tiles. And this is where the for loop comes to hand, where we loop through the different layers. Do we actually have? Yeah, we do. It's just called layer though. Okay, I was like, that's confusing. And we need the node .item to go through all the different layers or items. Oops, I said that and I put 0. E elements, of course, cast it to elements, and there we go. And if I is less than or equal to 0, so basically the first one, then the width is equal to integer dot parse int, and basically all the layers are going to have the same width and height, so we only have to do it once. So yeah. Just copy this. And here's the fun part. So data I, so this is where all the tiles are going to be. The elements dot get elements back by tag name. Actually dot because we need something else as well. That's not how you spell data. or data, or however you pronounce it. And 0, because we get text content. So it's basically going to be one really long string. One really long string is going to be stored into data. And there's going to be three some data. 3 layers of data in the data array. And that's basically it. We can actually print that out. So go ahead and have this whole bunch of crap there. And dash n to make a new line. Have that in there. And let's see if that works. No, it doesn't. Oh, because Control C that. Can you Control C? Yeah, okay. Because we haven't actually done anything with it. So here we just need to do private TileManager TM. Make sure that's imported. Should be. No, it's not. Okay, makes sense. Import com.zelius.game.tiles.TileManager. So here in play state, we should go tm is equal to new TileManager, and we said it's called. Hold on. So tile, the TileMap. Let's just call it TileMap, and .xml, of course, and that's basically it. Because that's all we said, right? Yeah, it's true. Okay. So we have that. Now we need to render that. Well, we can't, because there's no render class. So, render method. We'll do that later. So we do that public void render. This is where we're going to render all the tile maps, basically. Graphs to DG. I think. Yeah. Sounds about right. Looks about right. Okay, so I think we did that right. So we build it. Ooh, we got a couple things wrong. Cannot find simple new file. Okay, so basically, it didn't. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna have to import a couple things. So import javax.xml.document. It's in document? No, it's not document. It's a parsers.document. Where's this crap? Okay, hold on. No, it's not. It's in w3c, and should be somewhere in here. C dot. How's it? There it is. Freaking finally. Okay. Basically, I think it's in the same. Should be the same. Control Shift. Copy. Just. And elements. There it is. Paste that. Oops. Import. Paste. And need the node. Oh shoot. Node list. And what else do we need? Oh yeah, we need the Java file. So import java.io.file. And I think that's it. That should be it. Build. No, it's not it. Because we need a tile map. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a tile map. So if you go to tiles and make a new file, call it TileMap, of course. It's in the package of com.zelius.game.tiles. And we're gonna import one thing, and that's the graphics objects, or the graphics class. And we're gonna make this an abstract, because we're gonna have different types of tile maps. The solid type and the normal not solid type. And we're gonna have only one abstract method that every tile map needs, and that's the render method. Graphics 2DG. Let's try that. And try finally, ooh, because of, we need to do that. Where's the try? And here's the catch. And, oops, there's the exception. Exception E. And we're gonna do, I guess we can do this dot out. Wait. Dot print line. And we're gonna basically print out error. Cannot read tile map. And we can go error tile manager. So we know what class we have the error in. And we can also print out the stack trace. But document builder. Cannot find document builder. Do we not? Here we did, it's right there. Error cannot find document. Oh, what? Oh, because we need to name it something. We got. Thought we named it builder, didn't we? Oops, not builder, factory, just builder. Yeah, there it is. We run it, and then we can see that these are all the layers we got. So we successfully read in the file. So yeah, 22 minutes, and we're done. Great, awesome. We have yet to display the tiles, so we're gonna do that in the next video. We're just gonna render all of the tiles, but we can also put them in two different classes as well. Basically, this layer here is going to be in the in the tile map with all the solids or objects that are all the tiles that are interactable. These other two are just going to be in the normal tile map. So yeah. Oh, I just did that. I didn't do that. So yeah, see you in the next video.